what's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, me and Kaki. Now, today's video is sponsored by my parents. My parents bought me this thing. It is a creeper seat. You just pull the lever, pull it back like so, and it's a flat creeper. So, big shout out to my parents for buying this for me. I do appreciate it, and it's right on time because today we're doing an oil change video. So I want to give a huge thanks to my parents for this creeper. My parents have always supported my channel, and I do appreciate you guys very much. Edwin, if you're watching today's video, thanks to my parents, I finally got one, all right? So, if you want one, it is on Amazon. It's by a company called Kroak. It's right there on Amazon, link in the description below. Today's video is not gonna be just any oil change. Today's video is gonna be the quickest oil change you've ever seen in your life. Now, not too long ago, we introduced the Fumoto Oil Drain Valve. This valve is supposed to make oil changes easier. All you do is open the valve, you put a hose on it, you open the valve, and oil comes out. It's the easiest thing in the world to replace your drain plug. So let's check it out. Whoa, 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 dizzy, dizzy. I'm a little kid, I know, I'm sorry. All right, we got everything we need here. We have our creeper, we have our oil mat that hopefully we don't even need. We have our drain pan, we have our funnel, we have our, this is my new filter puller because I can't find the other one. This is our filter FL500S, and this is our 5W20 Valvoline. We do have another extra cord if we need it. And this is our drain valve tube. This is our drain valve tube. So this hooks right directly onto the valve, and the oil comes out of this, and it'll go right into the pan. Cleanest oil change ever. Jack stands. I forgot jack stands. Never forget jack stands. I always use jack stands. No matter what goes on in life, always use jack stands. Jack stand. Jack stand. And so the hose kit comes with these plastic adapters. You have that one there. Then it comes with a straight one like this. I'm gonna use the L-shaped one. I think that'll work a little better. Sorry, it's a little hard to film. You should just put it over. Yeah, put it over like so. Wow, snaps on just like that. So now you have your hose hooked up. Make sure you have your hose where you want it to go. Tuck it under there, boom. So now when I open the valve, it's gonna come right out into my drain pan. All right, here goes nothing, or here goes something. I don't know why people say that. Here goes something. All right, take off our clip. Not clip, this is our clip right here. Show it to you, there it is. That's just so that the valve doesn't accidentally open up while you're driving or something hits it on the road or something like that. I need new gloves, man. And now you just open your valve. Boom, there it is. There it is. Yeah, that's gonna take some time, but like I said, this is the cleanest oil change ever. Sit that in the pan, let it drain. We'll come back in a little while. That's draining. I can go ahead and give you the pros and cons of having the Fumoto drain valve on your vehicle. Number one, it's easy. It's super easy. All you do is hook up the hose, open the valve, and the oil comes out, right? It makes for a cleaner oil change. You don't have to get your hands there. You don't have to worry about opening the drain plug and moving your hand real fast so the oil doesn't go everywhere all over your hands. If you remember the last time I did an oil change, I had cut my hand and I had oil all over my hand in my open wound. Yeah, it's probably not the best thing in the world. Another pro to this whole valve system is that you can take this hose and put it into a container so that you don't have to transfer it back and forth from the pan to a container. You can put the hose directly into a container, and that's a cleaner way to drain your oil. I just don't have a container. That's the only reason why I'm putting it in here for now. Other thing is you can see through the clear valve, through the clear hose, you can see when the oil's done. So looks like we have some time left. The bad thing about it so far is that it takes a long time to drain. As you saw, it was draining super slow. I probably have time to go outside, eat breakfast, and come back out, and it'll probably still be draining. So you kind of just weigh your pros and cons, all right? And as I was saying, since I do have time to wait, I'm gonna go ahead and take this light bar out. If you don't know about this light bar, check out the link in the description right above your head. Check that out. Yo, this creeper's coming in so handy. I can roll in, I can roll out. I feel like a real mechanic. See? Super duper easy. All right, and we are about done. At least the draining part is. Now you just remove your hose. I should close the valve first. Close the valve back first. Then take the hose off. And don't forget your clip with the Fumoto on it. Put your clip back on, and you're good to go. All right, and don't forget to put your cap back on. Boom. That's it. All right, y'all, it's just that simple. That's pretty much it. It didn't take that long to drain. It was really about 15 minutes, honestly. It wasn't that bad. So after that, it's the typical oil change stuff. Your filter, replace the oil. That's it. That's pretty much it. All right, old filter off. New filter going on. Old oil coming out. New oil going in. Liquid gold. All right, last but not least, crank it up, make sure everything's good. All right, and we're running smooth. And we are good to go, y'all. That's it. The easiest, cleanest oil change you'll ever do in your life. Well, kind of clean. I'm dirty, but that's really from the undercarriage of the truck and me rubbing up on the tires. But other than that, cleanest oil change ever in the history of life. You want to try out the Fumoto Drain Valve, link in the description below. I'm also going to get one for the Mazda because that's next. I actually meant to do that today as well, but hadn't arrived yet. So we're going to do the same thing. Now, there's some other companies that sell drain valves. I know I've seen tons of them. If you have one, put in the comments below, especially if it's something that's better than this one. Let me know. Put in the comments below. Ironically, the only time I spilled any oil is when I was done. I accidentally kicked over the filter while I was on the ground, and that's what that is. I put some dirt on it to try to soak it up. Other than that, the only oil that I actually spilled was when I was pouring the new oil back into the truck. I had a funnel and everything. But anyway, thanks for watching another video on the Main Car Keys channel. We are up. Locked myself out the truck. All right, last thing that needs to be done is that thing. I'm sick of seeing that, y'all. That's one of those things I always kind of forget to do. But let's take care of that now. Boom. So thanks for watching another video on the Main Car Keys channel. Just a quick video to show us another way to kind of speed up the efficiency on maintenance in general, things that we do for our vehicles, general servicing. So that Fumoto drain valve, well, I think it was like 40 bucks. I can't remember. I'll look it up. It was on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description. As always, to everything I use, get your oil drain mat, okay? Just in case, all right? Like you said, I still spilled a little bit of oil, so whatever. Get your oil drain mat. I put the link for that as well. I've been talking about that for a long time. Till next time, thank you for watching another video on the Main Car Keys channel. Motivation Crew, that's me, that's you. Even though we're dirty, that's what we do, all right? I'll see you next time. Oh, I have to hide this from the kids because they're gonna be rolling around. They actually, matter of fact, they've already been on it, rolling around, laying on us. You know how kids are. You know how kids. I'll see you next time. Other than that, the only oil I